how to transfer money from Coinbase to bank account. First, we need to sell our cryptocurrency into fiat currency, like Great British pounds or United States dollars, and then we can withdraw that to our bank account. To begin, click on My Assets at the bottom. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to sell, in this case, Bitcoin. Click on it, then scroll down and click on the Sell option. Enter the amount you want to sell, and you can decide how much Bitcoin to sell by switching the amount at the bottom. Then, select the wallet you want to deposit the fiat currency into, such as your GBP wallet. After reviewing the order, click Place Order, and make sure the information is correct. Once the order has been submitted, click Done. If you go back to My Assets, you'll see that the Bitcoin has been sold and moved to the selected wallet, GBP. Now, click on the wallet, and you'll have the option to Cash Out. Click on Cash Out, and below the amount, you'll find an option for where to cash out. If you haven't already added a bank account, click on Add Payment Method to add one. Once added, select your bank account, type in the amount or click Max, and then click on Preview Cash Out. Confirm the decision by clicking Cash Out Now, and the money will be sent to your bank account. The process will be instant, and you should soon see the funds in your bank account. And if you liked the video, give it a like and subscribe.